Hello everyone, this is AI here, and in today's tutorial I'll teach you how to create this square-based geometric line art seamless pattern in Affinity Designer. This pattern is based on this geometric line art figure on which I recorded a tutorial not very long ago. I will add a link for it in the description below in case you haven't seen it. So we are going to start from the already completed figure. So we select all the elements in the composition and we press on Ctrl G to group them together. And then we're going to delineate the tile. So the tile is going to be located from this corner here to this corner here. And we're going to delineate it with the rectangle tool. So we take the rectangle tool and we set the fill and the stroke to none. And then we go ahead and we draw a rectangle from this corner here to this corner here. We select the rectangle and we make sure that it is positioned correctly. We're going to create the pattern as a white stroke on a dark gradient background. So the way that we're going to do this, we select the group of lines and we set their stroke color to white. And then we press on Escape to unselect. We go to Document Setup. We go to the Color tab and we check on Transparent Background and we click on OK. So this gives us the transparent background. And then we're going to export the tile. So we select the rectangle again and we go to File, Export. We set the file type to PNG to include the transparency. And we set the area to Selection Area to export only what's within the rectangle. And we click on Export. Alright, so now we have exported the tile and we are going to use it to do a pattern fill. So we go to File, New, and we create a new composition. We take the rectangle tool and we set the fill and the stroke to none. And then we go ahead and we create a rectangle all over the composition. We select the rectangle and we press on Ctrl J to duplicate it. We select the background rectangle and we take the gradient tool. We leave the context as fill and we set the type to linear. And we draw a gradient from the top left to the bottom right. We set the top color to a dark shade of blue. And the bottom color to black. And also we are going to give it a bit of noise, 10-20%. And then we select the rectangle above, and we are going to bring in the tile. So we take the Vector Float Fill tool, we go to Set Bitmap Fill, and we select the tile that we just created. We click on the composition, and this creates a pattern fill. And then we can adjust the handles to make the pattern bigger or smaller. And we can rotate it while holding Shift to rotate it by 45 degrees increments. Alright, so that was it for this tutorial. You learned how to create this geometric line art seamless pattern in Affinity Designer. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something from it. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Affinity Designer tutorials in the future. And until then, see you next time, bye!